Alright, so today we're gonna head and put on the spare tire. This is the fender subwoofer. Fix it up a bit. So in order to take it out, this. Alright, so let's take a closer look. I have everything in the car. However, the problem is it doesn't fit. So here's a side view. I definitely do need to go and trim the piece. Not much of it, but let's go ahead and mark it off. I marked it off, and this is how much I have to go ahead and trim for the spare tire to fit. So let's see. It does fit. Good thing. Now we're gonna replace the subwoofer all the way back in. The Germans, they think of all the neat things. Alright guys, so this concludes my video of the spare tire retrofitting on the Golf R. Hope you guys liked it. Hope it helps people. But all in all, it didn't take too long. It took about an hour or so because I wanted to film and everything. So including the trimming. The trimming took a little bit longer than expected. But once you have a Dremel, invest in a Dremel. It should make things a lot easier. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you all for the support. So after a successful mod, I always like to kick back with an ice cold brewski.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit.